Hello, my name is Nathan, and this is Kevin and I's Operation Egg Drop. Going into this project, we had one major problem. We must successfully create a vessel that could protect an egg from a 15-foot drop. Now, in this project, as me and Kevin were talking, we found that there was only one major criteria that needed to be met with. It was that we must create a vessel that will allow us to assess the damage done to the egg as quickly as possible. There was no real criteria when it came to mass or height. What were our restraints? We were limited on the amount of materials, limited on time, and we were only allowed 2 drops. And as you can see in the picture to the right, as far as materials, we had pipe cleaners, rubber bands, paper clips, string, straws, cardboard, printer paper, 1 glove, 2 cotton balls, and a baggie in order for the egg to be inside. In our original ideas, as you can see from our sketches, we wanted the overall shape of the vessel to be cardboard. And with that shape, we were going to make a box out of cardboard. But that brought up a question. If we do make a box, then how will we be able to close the top? Because in order for us to meet the criteria, we need to be able to assess the damage done to the egg. With the remaining materials that we had, we used the glove, plastic bag, straws, cotton balls, and pipe cleaners, all for cushioning. And those cushions would be placed inside the vessel with the egg. We would use 1 rubber band for securing the egg inside the glove and hot glue in order to hold the vessel together. Our final solution, as we were cutting the cardboard, we realized that we couldn't make a full box. So instead, we created a rectangular prism sitting on top of a cardboard base. And with the remaining cardboard we did have left, we cut a rectangle and placed it over the opening of our vessel to form a top cover. We secured this cover by punching holes on opposite sides of it and placing paper clips through the holes and into the side of the vessel. Now our glove, paper, plastic bag, straws, cotton balls, and pipe cleaners all remained as the cushioning for the egg, and they were all still inside our vessel. Prototype number 1, our mass of the vessel was 65.8 grams, and the combined mass of both the egg and the vessel was 130.3 grams. Now, as you can see in drop number 1, our vessel immediately started to roll. And although our egg did not crack or break, we needed to make adjustments in order to fix that rolling factor. Some pros and cons of our first design. The positives, our cushioning did protect the egg. And our vessel was able to secure the egg in place, and we were able to quickly reveal the egg, which we met with that criteria that I was talking about. Some negatives, the sides of our vessels were uneven, causing the cover to be at an angle. So while the vessel was dropping, that air that was pushing against the cover would flip and roll our vessel. And these pictures utilized here, this is how we cushioned our egg. So we had the egg inside the plastic baggie. We wrapped it in paper and then placed that in the glove. And talking about the rubber band, we wrapped the rubber band around the glove to close it and secure that egg inside. And over here is what our egg looked like after drop number 1. So after we made all our revisions and we cut everything that we needed to cut, we made a final prototype, which weighed in at 60 grams and also weighed in with the egg inside at 124.5 grams. Here's our drop number 2. And as you can obviously see, our vessel stayed stable and didn't roll at all, which was perfect. That's what we wanted. And we fixed that rolling factor because instead of the cover being a rectangle, we cut it so that it would fit the shape of the prism, so that when that air was pushing against the vessel, it wouldn't flip it. We secured this new cover with the extra rubber band we had left. And like I said, we were able to successfully not allow the vessel to roll too much throughout the drop, which was what we really wanted. That's what we were aiming for on the second drop. Now here, finally, is the CAD drawing that I created for the vessel. As you can see, we had a 4.5 by 4.25 shape, and then the overall height was 4.67. So we had a very small, compact vessel that was able to easily hold the egg inside and maintain it and make sure that it didn't crack. And as you can see, we had materials listed as far as like cushioning and what we used to put inside the vessel. This was me and Kevin's project, and I was very happy with our results. Thank you for watching.